Sabi nila, ang pag-ibig daw ay parang lindol. Biglaan, hindi inaasahan, pero nakakatakot. Pero para sa akin, ang pag-ibig ay isang bagay na hindi ko mabigyan ng kahulugan. Ewan ko ba, mag-aral na lang talaga.
Sorry, kayo na ako nandito. Halika na, ang tagal mo. Late na tayo. Wait lang! Sandali!
I never dream, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing.
Gangster!
And I could swear love is just a game that children play, and no more than a game.
Project, and this is my pair. So kung sino man yung makapares ninyo, I hope that you'll work together and help each other. Naintindihan?
Nakakainis, kahit anong anggulo, nakakabwisit talaga siya.
For our next pair, we have Mr. Kenji de los Reyes and Miss Athena Dizon. Okay class, that will be all for today. Goodbye.
Announcer! Bakit?
Parang siya ba yung lugi sa akin? Hindi ko bro.
Bago naman mo. Oh, bakit late ka? Kasi naman sa oras ko, may magagawin din ako. Magagawa pa ng activities. Maglalaba pa ako, mag-lecture pa ako.
Nasa ko yung plan.
Una, kailangan natin gumawa ng husay.
Ngayon ko lang siya nakasama pero bakit parang kakaiba?
Hoy, nakikinig ka ba?
Oo naman.
Hay nako! So, after nun, kailangan natin mag-create ng... Wait. Nararamdaman mo ba yun?
Oo, ata.
Yung meaning doon, tanga!
Malali ka.
Wait, hindi na nasa atin isa kung paano daw mag-create doon. Kailangan ko lang alalahanin.
Good morning class. Today, we'll talk about something very important. Earthquakes. And when we say earthquakes, these are the sudden shaking of the ground caused by movement underground. Yes, Mr. Nagtagal?
Sir, what are the signs that an earthquake is about to happen?
That's a good question, Mr. Nagtagal. Earthquakes can't be exactly predicted, but sometimes there are warning signs like small tremors before the big one or sudden changes in water levels.
Sir, what actually happened during an earthquake?
So what actually happens during an earthquake? When an earthquake strikes, ground shakes, buildings may crack, and objects can fall. Sometimes it can cause landslide or tsunamis if it happens under the sea.
So what should we do before an earthquake, sir?
Before an earthquake, remember to always be prepared. Secure heavy items in your home. Prepare an emergency kit with food, water, flashlight, and first aid.
How about during an earthquake, sir? What should we do?
Just remember the rule to drop, cover, and hold. Mr. Nagtagal, Mr. Santos, and Mr. Rocky, come here in front. Drop to the ground. Cover your head and neck. And hold on to something something sturdy. That is the drum, cover, and hold that you have to remember, class.
Sir, what about after the earthquake?
So after the shaking, stay calm. Check yourself and others for injuries, listen to the news or authorities for updates, and be careful of aftershocks because smaller earthquakes can follow after the main one.
Sir, what if we're in school when it happens?
If you're in school and an earthquake happens, just stay under your desk, cover your head, and don't panic. Wait for your teacher's instruction before leaving the classroom because safety first, as always.
Sir, can the earthquake be prevented?
Sadly, no. But we can reduce the damage by being prepared, building strong structures, and staying informed. Remember, class, earthquakes can strike anytime. But with preparation, knowledge, and calmness, we can protect not only ourselves, but also others. Alright, that's all for today. Stay safe and always be ready, because safety starts with awareness. Goodbye, class.
Okay ka lang? Nasaktan ka ba?
Okay lang ako. Thank you, Kenji.
Athena, sandali! Yung bag mo, naiwan! Tignan kita. Naalala ko kasi yung sinabi ni Sir na possible daw magkaroon ng aftershocks.
Hindi na, huwag na. Kaya ko na pauwi.
I never dream, cause I always thought that dreaming was for
Athena May Dizon, hayaan mo na ako.
till I met you.
Hindi ko alam pero nakaramdam ako ng kakaiba. Kakaiba pero nakakatakot. Ito na ba yun? Ito na ba yung pag-ibig na sinasabi nila?
And that concluded our project as a team and also the end of our discussion. Once again, I'm Athena Dizon.
And then, Kenji Cruz Reyes, thank you for listening. Uy, Athena, sabay na tayo.
Uy, ikaw pala Kenji. Sige lang. Wala naman din akong kasama.
Athena, aid ko nga pala.
Ha? Para saan?
Basta walaan mo na lang.
Wow, ano ko, manghuhula?
May sasabihin pa pala ako sa'yo.
Oh, ano naman yun?
Matagal ko nang gustong sabihin sa'yo ito. Athena May Dizon. Gusto kita.
Kenji, lumilis doon!
Athena!
Kenji! 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 Kenji, gumising ka! Kenji!
Ngayon alam ko na kung bakit ganun ang kahulugan ng pag-ibig. Biglaan, hindi inaasahan, at nakakatakot. Parang lindol. Lindol ang nagpalapit sa ating dalawa. Pero ang sakit kasi lindol din ang dahilan kung bakit wala ka na. Salamat sa lahat, Kenji. Araw-araw kitang mamahalin.
In just a few seconds, everything can change. Earthquakes strike without warning, destroying not only buildings, but also the lives and dreams of the people within them. Just like Athena and Kenji, many never expect that a simple day could become their last. This is what an earthquake can do. It shakes the ground, and sometimes it shakes our hearts. But while we can't stop earthquakes from happening, we can always be prepared. Stay alert and protect the ones we love. Because readiness can save not just lives, but the stories we are yet to live.